This is not just leather manufacturing. This is a story of precision, extreme patience, and elite craftsmanship.
These birds are monitored for health, diet, and skin quality because minor imperfections affect the final product.
They look for the symmetry of quill follicles and the complete absence of any visible cuts or scars.
Each approved hide is tagged and logged into the production system to ensure full traceability throughout manufacturing.
The preserved hides are first soaked in large industrial drums filled with water and various mild cleaning agents.
The drums rotate slowly for several hours, ensuring the leather is evenly treated without damaging the delicate surface.
This process prevents decomposition, strengthens the leather fibers, and permanently locks in flexibility and long-term durability. After tanning, the skins are carefully moved to climate-controlled chambers to begin the essential drying phase. Once dry, the leather goes through mechanical softening machines that gently stretch and massage each individual hide.
Now comes the transformation. The leather is dyed using high-quality pigments that penetrate deep into the fibers.
The hides are dyed, rested, and rechecked multiple times to ensure the shade is absolutely perfect. A protective finish is then applied to enhance durability while preserving the natural grain and quill pattern. Once the leather is fully finished, it moves to the cutting section, where the jacket takes shape. Workers carefully place templates to highlight the best grain areas, ensuring the jacket looks visually stunning.
Attention to detail is everything.
Collar and sleeve construction are the most difficult parts, requiring years of experience to master the curves.
From raw ostrich hide to a premium luxury jacket, the entire process takes weeks of skilled labor. This is why ostrich leather jackets are not just clothing. They are masterpieces of engineering and art.
They represent craftsmanship, rarity, and precision, all stitched into one final product for the most discerning clients.
Every gear in this factory must function perfectly to ensure the delicate leather is never over-processed today.
Water purity is monitored daily because minerals can react with tanning chemicals and ruin the ostrich skin.
The scale of production is massive, yet the focus remains on individual quality for every single hide. A single degree of temperature shift can change the leather's density, making constant digital monitoring absolutely essential.
Ancient techniques meet modern technology as workers manually check chemical saturation levels during the long tanning cycle.
The factory never truly sleeps, as the drying process requires constant air circulation for 72 hours straight.
Handling wet ostrich leather requires strength and care to prevent stretching the delicate quill follicles out of. The softening machine uses vibration and pressure to break down stiffness, creating that world-famous luxury leather feel. Once softened, the hides are shaken to remove any excess fibers before moving to the final dyeing.
Custom colors are developed in this laboratory, matching the specific fashion trends of the current global season. Precision in the chemistry lab ensures that every batch of jackets will have the exact same shade.
Heat is used to bond the pigment to the fibers, ensuring the color will never fade away.
Quality tests ensure that the dye remains locked inside the leather, even under extreme environmental weather conditions.
Modern laser cutting provides a level of accuracy that manual tools simply cannot match in this industrial.
Glue is used to hold the edges in place before the final stitching begins at the sewing machine. This machine is powerful enough to pierce multiple layers of tough leather while maintaining perfect stitch alignment.
Some details are still finished by hand, as machines cannot replicate the human touch in fine tailoring.
The brand plate is a mark of authenticity and quality, signaling to the world its luxury origin.
Seeing the finished collection together reveals the incredible diversity of colors possible with premium ostrich leather hides. Every square inch is scrutinized under different lighting conditions to guarantee that no flaws escape the factory.
Moisture control is essential during shipping to prevent any mold from damaging the expensive natural leather fibers.
Packing is an art form itself, ensuring the jacket arrives at the customer in absolutely pristine condition.
These jackets will soon be on display in Paris, London, and New York, representing the pinnacle of.
The quill pattern is a fingerprint of nature, making every single jacket a one-of-a-kind piece of art. Maintaining such a high standard across thousands of jackets requires a massive investment in both people and technology. Cleaning the machinery is a daily ritual that prevents cross-contamination between different color batches of expensive leather.
Sustainability and ethical farming are at the heart of the modern ostrich leather industry in this century.
The cycle begins again every day, as more raw hides arrive to be transformed into luxury goods.
Sometimes the follicles are slightly smoothed to create a different finish, depending on the jacket's final design. Even the thread is chosen for its strength and color match, ensuring the jacket stays together forever.
The silhouette must be perfect from every angle, as luxury buyers expect a flawless fit every time.
This factory has spent decades perfecting the art of leather processing to reach this level of global.
Leather must be flexible enough to move with the body, while remaining strong enough to resist tearing.
Every detail, down to the shine on the zipper, contributes to the overall feeling of luxury craftsmanship.
It takes a village of highly skilled professionals to turn a single hide into a wearable masterpiece. Keeping the tools in perfect condition is just as important as the quality of the raw leather.
Guidelines are drawn to ensure every pocket and zipper is placed with mathematical precision on the skin.
The final product is a testament to the hard work and dedication found inside this modern factory.
Nothing goes to waste in this facility, as even the smallest scraps find a new luxury purpose.
Science ensures the tanning chemicals have fully penetrated the hide, guaranteeing a lifetime of heavy-duty use today.
The edge painting adds a layer of protection and a clean finish that is characteristic of high-end luxury.
The journey from the farm to the city concludes as the finished product leaves our modern factory.
Double stitching provides the durability needed for a jacket that will be passed down through many future generations.
Modern factories use sustainable energy to power the complex machines required to process these exotic leather hides. Pride in workmanship is the invisible ingredient that makes these jackets stand out in a crowded market.
Each jacket comes with a signed document, proving its origin and the quality of the ostrich leather.
The process is continuous, fueled by a global demand for the unique beauty of genuine ostrich leather.
The texture is unmistakable, a symbol of luxury that has been recognized by fashion experts for decades.
We have witnessed the transformation of a raw hide